What if we are not actually 3D and everything around us, from the stars to our hands, are just 2D projections? It sounds weird, but it's actually a real physics theory called the holographic universe. And here's what's weird about this theory. So if we look at the hologram on our credit cards, it's just a flat film, but when light hits it, you see a 3D image dancing on the inside. And all that depth isn't inside the sticker. It's encoded in a 2D pattern on the surface. And this is the cool part. If you cut that hologram, I'm not suggesting that you cut your credit cards, but if you do, each tiny fragment of that hologram that you cut will show the entire hologram, the entire image, because each piece contains information to recreate the whole image. Like, isn't that cool? I didn't even know about that. So physicists wondered, what if the entire universe works the same way? Because that's exactly how black holes work. Imagine this is a black hole. Don't ask me why I have a giant tennis ball. But the amount of information a black hole can contain depends entirely on the area of the surface, not the inside volume. That means that everything happening on the 3D inside could just be encoded on the surface, just like the surface of a credit card. So maybe our universe isn't 3D. The galaxies, time, and space itself is a projection of information written on a distant cosmic surface on the edge of our universe, if there even is an edge to our universe. And here's the eerie part. Ancient texts like the Vedas to Buddhist sutras called the world Maya, which means it's an illusion. And so do many other ancient Eastern traditions. And perhaps ancient wisdom is telling us about connection, that every little piece of the universe contains the whole, just like that little square on your card. So if you ever feel small, remember that even the tiniest piece of you may contain the entire universe.